ऑफ सोल, फैक्ट और फैंटेसी, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। क्या वाकई में सोल है, आत्मा होता है, या फिर केवल ये कहानी या किताबों में लिखा हुआ है? चलिए इसके ऊपर देखते हैं। अगर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ कि हु आर यू, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? आप बोलेंगे कि मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं आईआईटीएन हूँ, मैं पेंटर हूँ, मैं शॉपकीपर हूँ। ये सब आपका जवाब होगा। लेकिन क्या आप वाकई में यही हैं या फिर कुछ और हैं? चलिए जानते हैं इसके बारे में। तो एक साइंटिस्ट हैं, प्रोफेसर हैं, वो बताते हैं कि जो हमारा बॉडी है, ह्यूमन बॉडी, उसमें जो है केमिकल्स हैं, केवल वाटर है और भी बहुत सारे अलग अलग केमिकल्स हैं केवल। और 110 रुपये बस हमारे शरीर का दाम है, ज़्यादा कुछ भी हमारा वैल्यू नहीं है। बस 110 रुपये का हैं हम, और कुछ भी वैल्यू नहीं है हमारा। तो क्या ये आपको लगता है कि ये सही है, ये लॉजिकल है, ये साइंटिफिक बात है? क्या हम सिर्फ 110 रुपये के हैं, जबकि हम 30 लाख रुपए का कार खरीद लेते हैं 110 रुपये के बॉडी के लिए? घर खरीदते हैं, गाड़ी खरीदते हैं, सो मेनी थिंग वी डू। अगर हम सिर्फ केमिकल्स के बने हुए हैं तो हम कभी खुश, कभी जो है नाराज, कभी sometimes loving. Why is it so? Sometimes fighting. So why this is so? If we are chemicals, then why is this activity shown by chemicals only? No, we are soul, not this chemical. What is life? What is death? Life or death क्या है? What is life and what is death? No one likes dead body. We bury it or burn it. Okay. No one likes dead body. We bury it or burn it. The same body which is when living we love. Okay, when girl and boy meet, they love each other. But the same body when die, nobody loves it. They burn it or bury it. Okay, different religious groups have different rituals, but they do same thing. They don't keep the body. So what is the active force that is running the body? Is life no more than a molecular collision and chemical interaction? Is the love you feel for your parents simply some chemical reaction? Mechanistic science has no correct understanding of emotion that we feel. A scientist cannot describe what a gulab jamun is. You can simply know it when you put it on your tongue. Where is the source of energy of the body? All parts can be transplanted. Consciousness cannot be. Don't you feel we are more than the chemicals which constitute this body? Then what is our real identity? Lord Krishna taught Arjuna, you are not the body, you are a spirit soul. So what is the difference between living body and dead body? Is matter conscious? Does it have desires? Does it possess feelings? Does it express willingness? No. Matter can't. Matter does not have desires. They don't have. Have you seen any house having any feelings, willingness? No. So material point of view is that we are body is made up of matter. We are no more than a chemical bundle. Everything is finished at the time of death. But a spiritual point of view is we are not the material body of flesh and bones. We are a spirit soul encaged in the material body. We do not die when material body stops to function. What is the difference between living body and dead body? So I have asked this question earlier also, that what is the difference between living body and dead body? So see, the body, in the body following things happen. Mouth to speak, we have mouth to speak, eyes to see, heart to pump blood, hands and legs to move. Similarly, car, horn to sound, headlights to see, radiator to supply water, and four wheels to move. The car cannot budge 1 inch without driver. The body is termed dead without the presence of driver, the soul. So similarly, just like a car cannot move without driver. So similarly, body cannot move without soul. Okay. So here we are understanding the difference between living body and dead body. I have taken one example of car and human body. Now I am taking example of human body and a cage, a bird trapped in a cage. Just as a bird trapped in the cage, the soul is trapped in the body made up of 5 elements: earth, water, air, ether. Not knowing the real identity as a soul, the people spend all their life in polishing the cage, pampering the body without the feeding the soul. Can you say how? What is the difference between living body and dead body? Every living body, be it human, animal, bird, tree, reptile, or any other living body, undergoes 6 changes. What type of 6 changes? Birth, growth, maintenance, production, byproducts, dwindling, death. These are the 6 changes. Okay, 6 changes the body undergoes. जन्म लेता है, बढ़ता है, मेंटेनेंस करता है, कम नौकरी करता है, रिप्रोड्यूस करता है, ड्विंडलिंग, डिसअपियर, धीरे धीरे डिसअपियर होता है, और फाइनली डेथ. तो in Bhagavad Gita there is 2 types of energy is described. God's energy, inferior material energy and superior material energy. What is this? Inferior material energy is gross elements and subtle elements. Superior spiritual energy is spiritual body, soul, Sat Chit Anand. Okay.